Welcome back. Our top national story. A man threw ink at Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev during a press conference this afternoon. Supporters of Ramdev bet the man before police retained him. Ramdev's supporters have blamed the Congress for this disruption, but Congress leader Digvijay Singh has denied this charge, instead calling it a conspiracy to gain sympathy. The incident took place during his announcement of a campaign against black money in the upcoming assembly elections, and Janata Party leader Subramaniam Swamy was also present. The ink thrower has been identified as Kamran Siddique, a resident of Delhi who is said to be running an NGO, Real Cause. Ramdev's aides claim Siddique had gained entry into the hall carrying a walkie-talkie, apparently posing as a security personnel. Baba Ramdev says such protests don't deter him. The BJP has strongly condemned the attack.
हमने काले धन को राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति घोषित करके देश को दिलाने की बात की, भ्रष्टाचार को मिटाने की बात की और देश के लोगों को इस लोकतंत्र को जिन्होंने लूट तंत्र भ्रष्ट तंत्र बना दिया उसको एक सच्चा लोकतंत्र बनाने की बात की और उसके उपहार के रूप में ये काली शाही तो क्या, हमने काला धन मांगा था। यद्यपि काले झंडे बहुत दिखाए गए हम, तब हमने कोई परवाह नहीं की।
मैं इस बात की निंदा करता हूं। इस प्रकार का जो भी कृत्य है वो नहीं होना चाहिए। इस बात की जांच होना चाहिए कि ये व्यक्ति कौन है। मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूं कि कट्टरपंथी हिंदू और कट्टरपंथी मुस्लिम विचारधारा के लोग मिलकर ये सारी बातें करते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि इसमें इसी प्रकार का कोई षड्यंत्र है ताकि बाबा रामदेव के प्रति सहानुभूति हो और मुसलमानों और हिंदुओं के बीच का एक झगड़ा चालू हो जाए।
The brother of the man throwing ink said they believed Ramdev was corrupt. He also objected to the way his brother was beaten.
हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट है किसी से भी कोई भी सवाल पूछने के लिए। अगर हमने किसी से कोई सवाल पूछा है या हमने बाय द वे मारपीट भी की है तो उसका काम है कानून उस पर कार्रवाई करे। रामदेव के कार्यकर्ताओं ने मेरे भाई का नाक तोड़ दिया, दांत तोड़ दिए और इतना हॉकियों से मारा है कि वो राम हॉस्पिटल में है। अगर आप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं तो ये ऑब्वियस है कि कोई आदमी सवाल पूछेगा।
The national carrier has been hit by another strike. The erstwhile Indian Airlines Pilots Association has claimed that 800 pilots are striking work from today. The Air India management has said they have not received any strike notice yet. So far, 40 pilots have called in sick in Delhi. Flights in Delhi have been delayed or cancelled, while passengers who need to travel on Air India from Mumbai are also facing delays. The pilots say they are going on strike because they have not been paid salaries and allowances for the past 6 months. The company has denied these claims. Another shocking story from a Kolkata hospital. A 2-day-old infant has gone missing from the state-run Chittaranjan hospital. Authorities at the hospital admitted that the child was missing from the mother's cot in the maternity ward. This is the same hospital which allegedly refused admission to a woman who later died after delivering twins on the road. A complaint was lodged by the kidnapped child's father, who says the child born on Wednesday went missing while the mother was asleep. CCTV footage from the hospital shows 2 women suspects loitering near the ward gate. Police suspect a nexus with the hospital staff. This comes a day after a woman died after being turned away from the Chittaranjan hospital. She was turned away just after she had given birth to twins. More on India top order collapses again coming right after this break. Stay tuned and do not touch that remote.